Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the date and time in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option system. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option date and time. Tap on this one. So to edit the date and time in this device, we need to deselect this one, set time automatically. So here I am going to deselect this one. Now you can see the date and time is enabled for edit. So simply here we can change the date and time. So now you can see the time is 11:08. So here I am going to change the time to 11:09. You can see. Okay. Now you can see the time is changed. Again I will show you. Here I am going to change the time to 11:15. Tap on OK. Now you can see that time is changed. Okay, same this way you can change the date also. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.